But before we start constructing triangles, I'm going to teach how you can construct angles and bisect those angles. So we're going to be looking at the basic angles of construction. So now we're given a question. Number 1, draw angles of 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 30 degrees. Now, what we do now is we'll take our ruler now and we'll draw a straight line of any length. And to draw a 90 degree, we don't need to do much. What we just have to do is draw a perpendicular line to the straight line. So we'll take our ruler and we'll just draw a straight perpendicular line, and that's the angle now between the perpendicular line and the horizontal line is 90 degrees. So that's all. That's how you construct 90 degrees. So now, what if we're told to construct 45 degrees? In order to construct 45 degrees, first thing we do is we draw a line of maybe any length, but let's make it 8 centimeter. Okay. Now we'll take our compass. We try to get the middle, the center of the line. So the center of the line should be around 4 centimeters. So we take our compass and then that's the center. Now that we have gotten the center, we can now take a radius, put the sharp pin of our compass at the center of the line, then draw an arc. We then draw the arc in the other corner, on the left hand side of the center. We take our compass and put it in one of those points, one of those arcs. We take a radius, then we draw another arc. Then we put it in the other point, still maintaining the same radius. We draw another arc, bisecting the arc that we drew initially. Then we take our ruler and draw a line to meet the point of bisection. Okay, we need to be sure that it's accurately touching the bisection. Okay, so this is 90 degrees. So the angle of this perpendicular line to the horizontal line has formed 90 degrees. Now we need to bisect 90 degrees to get 45 degrees. So now we need our compass again. So put the sharp end of our compass at the center of the line. Then we choose a radius, any radius at all. Then we draw an arc that is going to touch the perpendicular line and the horizontal line. So we draw an arc. So now we take the sharp end of our compass, put it at that point, then we'll draw an arc. We have changed the radius now. We're going to use a different radius. our compass. So we'll draw an arc right there. And we'll put to see using the same radius, maintaining that same radius, we draw another arc in the other point, and we have the arc will bisect the other arc. Now we'll take our ruler, then we draw a line from the point of bisection to the center of the line of 8 centimeters. And now we have gotten 45 degrees out of 90 degrees. So this whole part is 90 degrees, while as we have bisected it, the other portion is 45 degrees. So now to get 60 degrees, we're going to draw a line, any length, a line of any length. It doesn't matter which length you use, let's draw a line. Now we take the sharp point of our compass, put it at the beginning of that line, because we want to construct an angle right now. So we'll choose any radius and we'll draw an arc now. We'll draw an arc. We'll make sure that the arc touches the line that we drew initially. Then we still use that same radius, that we maintain the radius, don't change it, put it at that point, put the sharp end there and bisect the arc. As we have bisected the arc now, we will now take our ruler. We use our ruler and then we draw a line to cross that bisection. We draw a line to cross the bisection, and now that is 60 degrees. That's the angle of 60 degrees. Now to get the angle of 30 degrees, we need to bisect 60 degrees into 2 equal parts, and we will get 30 degrees. So we take our compass now, put the sharp end at that point, so we use a different radius now. We use a different radius. You can actually use any radius, doesn't mean you can use any radius. I just want the radius to be far apart, so our arc will not be too close to the angle itself. The arcs will be farther apart. Okay, we have drawn an arc, put the sharp point at that point and draw another arc to bisect the one we draw initially. And there we have it. So we take our ruler now, and now we draw a straight line that must cross that bisection. From the beginning of that line that we drew initially to cross that bisection, we draw a line. So it has divided this angle into 2 equal parts, which is 30 degrees. And since the whole angle is 60 degrees, as we have bisected it, we have gotten 30 degrees out of it. This is how you bisect angles. There are other angles you can bisect, but if you use the same process, you will know how to bisect all other angles. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and share this video, subscribe to this channel, watch our previous videos. Thanks for watching.